Hey Steve, my name is Erin. I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in, and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips I'll give you and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be going over are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is going to be content, and that is anything you can see on your site here. It does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you all the opportunity to be able to integrate in keywords that people are searching for when they're looking for your services. So my suggestion with your site would definitely be to get some more content added. We certainly want to appease Google and get to those 1,500 words so they will rank your site. But again, also that gives you a chance to be able to integrate in those keywords, which really helps out a tremendous amount if you are trying to get ranked on that first page. So next thing we'll talk about are going to be citations. And I just pulled up a quick search here. And usually when you search for something, this is the first thing that you will see. This is called the map pack. And citations have a lot to do with that. So a citation is basically your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I really mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that will allow a business to enter those details. So you would want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to grab those 10 and then you want to add another 20, 30, 40. That's going to have you completely dominating them in that space, but it does also help you to rank high on the maps here as well. So next up is, Next up is going to be backlinks, and backlinks have a lot to do with this section. This is called the organic section. And the way backlinks work is there is a website out there that has a link to your site, and it's pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it. But not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say that you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful for you all. You would want to find other links from other auto repair companies that send something back to your site and signal to Google that that is the industry that you're in. That's going to be a lot more unique, but also more powerful in Google's eyes because it is relevant to your industry. And this is one of the tools that I use just so I can give you a visual representation. So currently your site is showing one referring domain, which is giving it one backlink, and you're getting found for 2 keywords, but none of that is driving any traffic towards your site. And now here's one of the top competitors. So they have 22 referring domains, which are giving them 28 backlinks, getting them found for 38 keywords, and all of that's driving about 52 people to their site per month. So let's see if we can take a look at the keywords that they're using, just to kind of get some ideas here. So here's a perfect one. Auto repair, Pompano Beach, and then auto repair, Pompano Beach, Florida. So these would both be great ones, and this one as well, car repair. So as you can see, you can use variations of the same word or phrase because essentially these two especially are really saying the same thing. They're just adding FL at the end, but that's still going to count as a whole new keyword since it is different, although not very different. But these are great because they're listing the service or the industry, but then they're also listing the specific location that they're trying to target. And you can target multiple different locations. You just, of course, want to make sure that you're targeting locations within your service area. That way, when someone finds you in their search results, they'll still be able to use you because you are close enough to them. But I am certainly not going to bore you and have us go through all of these keywords, but I do hope that this at least kind of gives you an idea of the types of things that you would want to integrate into that content on your site. And truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of the same places they are. But as we spoke about earlier too, also making sure that you're always adding on to that. That way you're far surpassing your competitors, because that is the kind of thing that gets you on that first page of Google. But that is all that I have for you today, Steve. I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you'd like to know more about Depth Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But thanks again for your time, and I hope that you all have a great rest of your week.